Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. If you're on the hunt for voluminous, long-lasting lashes, then you've probably come across the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara Primer and the Waterproof Mascara in Blackest Black. But do these products really live up to their promises of thick, voluminous lashes that last all day? Let's dive in and find out. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest review. Now let's talk about this duo. The L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara Primer is designed to give you fuller lashes by adding thickness, while also helping to hold your mascara in place. It's formulated to create a smooth base, which ensures that the mascara glides on effortlessly. The Waterproof Mascara promises to provide that dramatic, voluminous look with just one coat, no smudging or flaking in sight. And if you're into the Blackest Black shade, it's supposed to give you the deepest, most intense lash color. First impressions. The primer is lightweight and easy to apply. It coats the lashes without any clumping, which is a huge plus. As for the mascara, it really delivers that silky smooth volume it promises. One coat and your lashes look longer and more dramatic, which is great if you're looking for a natural yet defined lash look. I found it easy to build up the layers without feeling like my lashes were weighed down, and it felt soft to the touch, just like the product claims. But let's get into real-world usage. I've tested both products over several days, and the performance is pretty solid. During my daily routine, I noticed that the mascara didn't budge, even on those long, busy days. The waterproof formula really holds up, and it was great for those moments when I needed my makeup to last through sweat, tears, or humidity. My lashes stayed voluminous and curled throughout the day without needing touch-ups, and they felt soft, not stiff. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, this duo does what it says it will. The primer gives my lashes a fuller look, making the mascara more effective. The mascara itself provides a soft, touchable volume without clumping or flaking, which is a huge win in my book. It's also smudge-proof, so if you live in a humid climate or have long days ahead, this formula is definitely up to the task. On the flip side, the mascara can feel a little heavy if you apply too many layers, so it's important to be mindful of how much you build. Also, while the waterproof formula is a blessing in terms of staying power, it can be a bit tricky to remove at the end of the day. You'll definitely need a good makeup remover to get all that volume off. As for value for money, I'd say this is a solid deal for anyone looking to boost their lash game. The price is on point for the quality you're getting, especially considering how much you'd spend on higher-end products. The primer helps your mascara perform better, and the mascara itself delivers long-lasting volume, so I'd definitely say it's worth the investment if you're someone who's into full lashes without the fuss. Comparing it to other mascaras out there, this one holds its own in the waterproof category. It's comparable to some of the high-end brands, but at a fraction of the cost. And unlike other drugstore options, it doesn't sacrifice performance for price. Build quality is good. The packaging is sleek and functional with a comfortable applicator that makes precise application easier. I haven't had any issues with the durability of the tube or the wand, and it hasn't dried out prematurely, which is always a good sign. So who's this product for? Well, if you're after volume and length with a mascara that won't budge, this duo is perfect for you. Whether you have fine lashes that need a little help, or you're just looking for a reliable waterproof mascara, it's a solid choice. I'll wrap this up with a quick thank you to you, the viewer. If you've enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support means the world to us. And if you're ready to grab this mascara duo, the link is in the comments. And if you've tried the L'Oreal Lash Paradise products, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Do they live up to the hype for you, or did you find something else that works better? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.